Hello guys, how are you doing on this first real trading day of 2025? We will be looking into Twitter, some of the stuff that I have been posting, but also what I've been retweeting during the day. I haven't been too much active today, but there's something to look for. And also we will check a few charts. Oil, for instance, is looking, it's teasing us, I guess you can say, with some hopefully some bullish price action here real soon. Um, as always, guys, you can follow me or subscribe to me, on YouTube and on Substack. Yesterday, uranium stock setups, and today, obviously, uranium were flying. Not because of that, but again, I didn't again up like 6% URA and like 8% URNM, roughly, something like that. And yeah, and also today triggered a very long clean entry, in my opinion, in one of the smaller uranium stocks that has been shared like half an hour ago to the members of those sites. So we will look at the stuff here today. One of the minor, again, I wouldn't say minor, but again, yesterday we're talking about buying there at the retest of that trend line on UEC. And again, up for 14% today. Obviously, I didn't expect 14% for UEC, but again, good little addition there to the uranium portfolio. Bitcoin here with a potential head and shoulders negation for the Bitcoin. And we need a close above 100K. So this is the topping pattern. And a little undercut here, depending on how you draw it. But again, we need to take out the right shoulder high, which happens again at 100K. So very interesting there for Bitcoin. Um, I think half an hour long video on oil, and then also the stocks, that setups there for stocks, just like I did yesterday for the uranium. I think if oil, the USD WTI can confirm above, $80, I think a lot of these setups will do really well for like half a year to like 3 years time. They are just compressing so much over the past 2, 3 years that when and if they break to the upside, you have so much energy, no pun intended, that these will do really well. And they pay, 10% dividend, 5%, some even 15% while you hold them. So also the first uranium update in 2025 for subscribers, where we go through ratios, ETFs, and also a little bit of a dive into the video from yesterday. So again, that is available. This is a Danish stock that I have gone long in um, some time ago, not long ago, on the test of the neckline here. So this is my target. I'm just gonna again entry risk reward entry here, and hopefully it will hit that target. In 2025, looking for like a 60% gain in that one. Here we have the U.UN plus the uranium spot price on the daily. The upper here is the uranium spot price. You can see here, and below side you have the spot physical. So spot price and the spot physical. You can clearly see how correlated they are to each other. And this bull flag is potentially breaking here really, really soon. Again, we need to get above, I can't remember the exact, levels, but I think it is 26 to 27. If that happens, you can, again, it's clear that this whole bull flag bullish wedge on the spot price will also go higher. And rough estimates will be, roughly 55 for the U.UN is the measured move. And that will give us roughly, 125 on the spot price. So that we could be, again, we haven't been breaking just yet, but we could be entering a very, very good 2025 for uranium. If this happens, miners will go ballistic. So again, uranium stocks getting big capital influx today. True, I think the daily volume were 2x at least, so that's really cool to see. Here we have GDX traded with ERO. This is the copper stock here, just a 3 months downtrend here breaking today. So that is a, a trend change for sure. So so definitely a little potential trend change here in this chart for that copper stock. Here I have XLE divided by QQQ, so that is energy sector divided by the tech. This over here was the dump in 2020. Head and shoulders, triggered, neckline, triggered there, measured move, hit. And basically ever since we had this little last spike here with, I will say, monthly negative divergence, and then you started to consolidate here. So if this one breaks to the upside, it will be energy in favor of QQQ. So energy will outperform tech if that is the case, most likely. So I'm definitely watching this one for sure. Energy will do well. That is uranium, that is oil, gas, coal, and I think hydrogen will do well also. A bit more speculative, but yeah. Yesterday I posted the wedge break here, huge 2 hourly breakout. We came all the way back, retested, and then today we had the blast. Mega day closing at the highs for URNM. Fantastic. This was the pre-market. Normally, I don't do much with the pre-market, but again, we had such a clear, decisive one-way green here that I had to post it. And then this was the result during the day. I think we closed higher. I think we did close a bit higher, but still 5% roughly for most parts. Really good, really cool. Again, perfect timing from yesterday's video, the entries and all that for the uranium. What else do we have here? I think this one was from yesterday. Again, with the oil, we can take that. Again, closing above $80 for oil will trigger some potential big moves in the oil, and you need to be invested heavily into oil if that is the case. That is my opinion anyways. So yeah, that is all for this one here, guys. Again, we only have 2 trading days this week, today and tomorrow. So I'll be back tomorrow, and I will be doing a silver and gold mining update for the members on Substack and YouTube. Because they are also moving a bit here. They have been hammered for the past 2 months. So we will see where they are at the moment. So cheers, guys. Have an amazing day. Bye.